Okay, so now I like to get an extension. Let's talk about writing a function that returns the index of an element in an array. So what we're going to do is make an extension of the collection again, right? So again, I'm going to create this array, and we're going to call it, we're going to do this, 1, 3, no. 11, 15, 4, 1, 23, 0. All right. So let's do extension on collection where iterator dot element equals integer. Right, and we have that. So now I'm saying fetch index, right? Okay. Um, fetch index of at integer. It should return, no, not or, but of. What the heck is going on? Jesus Christ. Return Jesus Christ. What is going on with this keyboard? It's killing me. So again, return an integer. So basically what we're going to do is going to loop through. We're going to loop through, right? For item in self, right? Dot enumerated. Enumerated is a property that basically returns multiple things in an item. It returns the offset and it returns the elements. The offset is the count, the element is the actual item. So I'm going to show you, and I'm probably going to do a video that explains it better, right? So we're going to say if item dot element equals at, then return item dot elements, right? No, item dot offset, right? Because that's what we want, offset. Okay, else we're gonna return, well, this should be optional, right? So we can return nil. Yeah, because we want to return nil. Okay. With the type int, but it's not. Oh crap. Oh, I am so not paying attention. Okay, so now let's go down here. Array dot fetch index of 4, this should return 2. 0, 1, 2. Now, fetch index 5, it should return nil. Right? Fetch index 23, 4. 0, 5. 1, nil. Okay, well, no, 1 is actually there, right? So 2, see? So yeah, that's how we create a function to return the index right there. Of course, you can kind of do the same thing as well with using year 0 dot 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 to its self dot count less than self dot count minus 1. It'll do the same thing as enumerated. So yeah. Anyway, on to the next.